Want to keep your furniture looking fresh and spotless? Today, we're reviewing the best upholstery cleaners that make cleaning easy and effective. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you discover the right products for your home and lifestyle. Stick around to see which cleaners stand out, and if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Hoover Clean Slate Plus with Pet Kit. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus with Pet Kit came out on top in our testing for two main reasons. It's effective at removing stains from upholstery and carpet, and its design affords easy access to its tanks and accessories when it's time to clean the machine itself. The kit includes a cleaning solution and a measuring cup, plus measurement lines on the clean tank, making the whole process pretty self-explanatory. Though a bit boxy, the Hoover has large tanks for cleaning a good-sized area, and both the clean and dirty tanks are completely accessible to clean the machine when the job is done. A quick exercise PS, accessories include 2 brushes with removable bristles and a narrow brush tool. Plus, there's a 4.5-foot hose. One of our favorite features was a cleaning cap that fits over the end of the hose and forces the spray back into the suction to clean the hose after use. Number 2. Woolite InstaClean Stain Remover. The manufacturer of this powerful stain removal formula claims that it begins to remove stains in just 30 seconds, and in our testing, we could literally see it at work. It really did lift stains within a few seconds, although the action wasn't uniform across entire stains, especially from acidic foods like tomatoes. The instructions advise reapplying if a stain remains a minute after the first application. In addition to the tomato sauce, mustard, soy sauce, and banana we removed, this Woolite stain fighter claims to banish wine, vomit, mud, and even blood. Although we didn't test it on all these stains, we did find the product to be useful as a pre-treatment prior to using an upholstery cleaner. The fresh scent was pleasant, not a heavy chemical smell at all. The 2-pack includes a single sprayer for both bottles to limit plastic waste and to reduce the cost. Number 3. Wyman Leather Wipes. These Wyman wipes remove dirt, soil, and oily residue, and they leave leather feeling moisturized, smooth, and fresh. They contain 6 natural oils to soften and restore leather, plus UVX15 sunscreen to protect it from UV radiation. Non-toxic and easy to use, the pre-moistened wipes work well on smooth, finished leather products, including furniture, shoes, boots, briefcases, and handbags. However, this product should not be used on unfinished leather, suede, or nubuck. We tested these wipes, which come in a 3-pack, on a leather sofa and car upholstery, and they performed beautifully, even on some mystery stains in a well-used minivan. The only stain that stymied the wipes was a small spot of melted candy. For best results, follow the wipe application with a clean, soft cloth to buff the leather. Number 4. Eureka NEU 182B Power Speed Vacuum. This upright vacuum cleaner is well suited for the surfaces and crevices of upholstered furniture. It weighs just 10 pounds, but with smooth, gliding wheels and 5 height adjustment levels, it rarely needs to be lifted. Accessories that include an upholstery brush, a dusting brush, a 7-inch long crevice tool, and a 6-inch wide nozzle make it a versatile model for cleaning upholstery, carpets, stairs, and curtains. Plus, all of the accessories have onboard storage for convenience. At first glance, we found the Eureka a little cheap-looking, but once we turned it on with the foot pedal, we were impressed. The powerful motor and strong suction make tough vacuuming chores less taxing. SSS, the innovative design of the handle, makes it particularly suited to cleaning upholstery. It detaches from the main body to insert the hose, and then the upholstery tool attaches to the other end. It boasts an extra-large 4.1-liter capacity dust and dirt collector and a lengthy 25-foot power cord. Number 5. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. In testing, the Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner felt like a domestic steam cleaner on steroids thanks to all its impressive pieces. There's a 54-ounce capacity tank An 8-foot 10-inch hose. It's listed at 6 feet 6 inches, but we double-checked our measurements. 2 extension wands, a Velcro microfiber pad, and even a window washing tool. We use the various attachments to clean an oven door, stovetop, sliding glass door, and of course, upholstery. Unfortunately, banishing upholstery stains isn't where this machine shines. While the combo of steam and microfiber pads loosened small surface stains, without suction, it couldn't remove the tough stuff on our testing fabrics. We consider this Dupre to be a handy, versatile machine, but we can't recommend it solely as an upholstery cleaner. Plus, it takes 8 minutes to heat up and a full 20 minutes to cool down for refilling.